Oh yeah, right on. In the second stage of the renovation, things are going pretty good. Got the walls up, now we're into the boarding. So, we got some pro tips and tricks how to drywall like a pro. Stick around, we got some cool stuff to show you. So get these annoying things, you know, you got to drywall around electrical boxes, switches, that kind of crap. Well, it's an easy way to do that, you know. You don't have to measure, do nothing. Just put your sheet up there, you know. Take it right there. It's a trusty framing hammer. Just now we know exactly where it is. Right on. So you're doing sheets on the ceiling, you know, you're working by yourself. You're like, how the friggin' we can get sheets up there? Well, you just cut small sheets, easy to do. You get your glue gun, hot glue gun, industrial one, you know, get your sheet up there. You don't even have to do anything. Put it up there. Lay the glue right there on the friggin' studs. Let's go. I'll hold that there for a minute. Good to go. Now, you don't have to hold it. Let that glue set. There you go. Right, screw it. Pro tip right there. Hot glue gun. Anything you need. Put it on the walls. You know, you got sheets aren't cooperating. You can even fill holes with this too. You know, you got some mud left over from another job. It's getting a little, you know, dried out. You want to get it all fluffy and looking nice again. So here's a cool tip. Take your screwdriver like that. You get that clamped on there. Get this nice little whisk here. Take that right on. Take that up with your drill. You just want to give her with the mix. Right on, so now your mud's all mixed up good. Looking really good. Slap that on there now, look at that. Nice and fluffy. Perfect. Yeah, don't be shy to use all your crappy pieces. They got leftover pieces, you know. Use them up. Just throw them on there. So, you got something like this. Not a big deal. Pro tip number 3, you know, you gotta make sure it's taped good. And that kind of thing, well, we're just gonna put another sheet there, and you won't notice any inconsistencies in the board, so it'll look nice when it's finished, you know. So you want your mud to dry nice and quick. You know, you gotta go for a smoke or something. A couple of shots of this we get going. Febreze, best thing ever. Hawaiian scent, I don't know why it works, but it somehow it does something to the mud, it makes it curdle. Dries like 4 or 5 times faster. But you know, you get your biggest knife out, and that makes it nice and straight. And then you just gotta give her one of these here. When you're boarding, doing drywalling, you gotta make sure you're in the right frame of mind all times. You gotta focus, you gotta be like lightning and friggin' volcanoes. So that's why we put up pictures of the champs, man. You always gotta have your idols there to remind you who you are. No fooling around. And you don't wanna be using the cheap stuff either. You gotta have, you know, when you're on site, you wanna use the best quality tools, you know. The more bigger tools you have, and the more friggin' expensive they are, the more the champ. You gotta have all those good brand names, you know. None of that None of that Canadian Tire stuff either. Right? None of that good stuff. And when you're putting screws in, you know, to make it easier, make it nice, you want to make sure you got a powerful drill. Look, you can see the moisture getting sucked right out of it. Be ready for sanding in no time. Learn from watching Kung Fu. Right, so, you know, sometimes you run into some other problems. You know, you got joining a board and you got plumbing stuff in your way. Well, just get rid of that. You don't need that thing there. Just freaking cut it out.